Welcome to the Storyteller's Path. Let's learn English together.
Here we are, Leo. This is my absolute favorite place.
Wow, it's so small and cozy. It's not a big chain, right?
No, it's a family-owned shop. I come here almost every single morning.
Every morning? You must really love their coffee.
I do. It feels like home. Look at that little welcome sign. The owner puts fresh flowers there every day.
I can already smell the coffee from the street. Is it the flowers?
Actually, that's the coffee. They roast the beans right here inside the shop.
Wait, they roast them here? Aren't coffee beans always brown?
Actually, they are green before they are cooked. Roasting turns them brown and creates that amazing smell.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Everything is fresh here. Plus, it's quiet. Listen to that soft music.
I like that. A calm start to the day is just what I need.
Let's go in.
Welcome to Storyteller's Path. Today, we're visiting a cozy coffee shop with Emma and Leo. But before we continue, I have a question. What does it mean to be a regular at a coffee shop? Listen carefully to the story to find the answer. Good morning, Emma. The usual today?
Good morning, Sam. Yes, please. One latte, like always. And this is Leo. It's his first time here.
Welcome, Leo. For a beginner, I highly recommend a pour-over coffee.
A pour-over? How is that different from a latte?
For a pour-over, I pour hot water slowly over the coffee grounds by hand. It takes a bit of time, but the taste is very clean and light. And a latte? A latte starts with espresso. A machine uses high pressure to push hot water through the coffee very fast. Then I add warm, creamy milk. Oh, take it slow. Enjoy your morning. That is perfect for today. Go ahead and sit by the window. I'll bring your drinks over in a few minutes. Emma, look at these pastries. Do they bake them here too?
Yes, every morning before the sun comes up. Look at this one with the thin layers. That's a croissant. It's crispy outside and soft inside.
I'll definitely try one. And what are those bags on the shelf?
Those are coffee beans from different countries. Depending on where they grow, they can taste sweet, strong, or even like fruit.
Coffee can taste like fruit? That's amazing.
Every bag tells a story. But look, Sam is coming. Wait until you see what is on top of my coffee.
Here we go. One latte for Emma and one fresh pour-over for Leo.
Oh, Sam, look at the top of my latte.
Wow, there is a beautiful leaf pattern in the foam. How did you draw that? No tools, Leo. Just the way I pour the milk. It takes a lot of practice.
It's always a lovely surprise. You know me so well, Sam.
Of course. You are one of our regulars, Emma. We know your favorite drink and your favorite seat.
A regular. I really like that word. It means you are part of the community. Exactly. After a while, regulars become like family here. Well, this coffee is amazing. Maybe tomorrow I'll start my journey to becoming a regular
Thank
too.
you for walking with us today. Did you find the answer? What does it mean to be a regular? Write your answer in English in the comments below to practice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. Goodbye.